Let's talk about that familiar moment in the afternoon when your energy dips and suddenly, you find yourself craving something sweet. Maybe it's chocolate, cookies, or a handful of candy. It's a universal experience, one that almost everyone can relate to. Whether you're at home, at work, or even out running errands, that urge for a sugary pick-me-up seems to strike at the worst possible time. We've all been there, standing in front of the pantry or eyeing the candy aisle, debating what will satisfy that craving. Our bodies are actually wired to seek out quick sources of energy, and for most of human history, that meant reaching for fruit. Fruits were nature's original sweet treat, packed with natural sugars, fiber, and nutrients. When our ancestors felt that need for a boost, they didn't have processed snacks or candy bars. Instead, they'd pick a ripe piece of fruit straight from the tree or bush, getting both the sweetness they craved and the nutrition their bodies needed. Today, the real challenge isn't the craving itself, it's what we choose to satisfy it. Our modern pantries and grocery stores are filled with options, but not all of them are created equal. When you're faced with a choice between a candy bar and a piece of fruit, it's easy to reach for the quick fix, but that decision can make a big difference in how you feel afterward. Sugary snacks like cookies and candy give you a rapid burst of energy, but it doesn't last. After that initial high, you often experience a crash, feeling tired, foggy, and sometimes even more irritable than before. It's a cycle that can leave you reaching for even more sugar just to get through the day. This blood sugar roller coaster doesn't just affect your energy levels, it can mess with your mood, your focus, and even your productivity. You might find it harder to concentrate, or notice that you're more easily frustrated or stressed. Over time, these ups and downs can take a real toll on your well-being. The good news is, you don't have to give up on sweet snacks altogether. The key is finding ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without setting yourself up for a crash. It's about making choices that give you lasting energy and keep you feeling your best. You don't have to say goodbye to sweetness, just be a little smarter about what you reach for. Enter the date, often called nature's caramel for its rich, sweet flavor and soft, chewy texture. Dates are a fantastic alternative to processed sweets, offering all the satisfaction of a treat but with real benefits for your body. Dates are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients your body loves. They're full of natural sugars for quick energy, but they also contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help keep your blood sugar steady. Plus, they pair perfectly with other healthy snacks like nuts and fresh fruit, making them a versatile addition to your snack routine. By choosing dates, you can satisfy your cravings and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. They're easy to pack, easy to eat on the go, and they make a great addition to lunchboxes or snack time at work. It's all about making simple, tasty swaps that work for you. Replacing processed sweets with dates is a small change that can have a big impact on how you feel. More energized, more focused, and more satisfied. So, are you ready to make snack time both sweeter and smarter? Let's dive in and discover how easy and delicious it can be to upgrade your snacks and feel your best every day. So, what's a date? At first glance, it might just look like a small wrinkled brown fruit, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Dates are one of nature's oldest cultivated fruits, and they've been cherished for centuries across the Middle East, North Africa, and beyond. It's a sweet, chewy fruit that grows on the majestic date palm tree, thriving in hot, arid climates. People have enjoyed dates for thousands of years, not just as a treat, but as a staple food, a source of energy, and even as a symbol of hospitality and abundance in many cultures. Dates come in a surprising variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors. Popular types like medjool and deglet noor are just the beginning. Each variety has its own unique taste and texture. Think of them as nature's candy, but with real, tangible benefits for your body and mind. Unlike processed sweets, dates are a true whole food. They're picked straight from the tree, sometimes sun-dried, to concentrate their natural sweetness, and then enjoyed just as they are. No added sugars, no artificial ingredients. They're packed with fiber, vitamins like B6 and K, and essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper. That makes a huge difference in how your body uses their sugar. When you eat a date, you're not just getting a quick hit of sweetness, you're fueling your body with nutrients that help you feel fuller, longer, and support your overall health. The sugar in fruit is bundled with fiber and nutrients, unlike the stripped-down, empty calories you find in candy or soda. That fiber acts like a natural buffer, slowing down how quickly your body absorbs the sugar and preventing those sudden spikes and crashes. Processed sugar, on the other hand, hits your bloodstream fast, causing a rapid surge in energy followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and craving more. Dates deliver sweetness with a side of slow-release energy. They're the perfect snack for a midday pick-me-up, a pre-workout boost, or even a natural dessert after a meal. Their natural sugars are released gradually, thanks to the fiber and minerals working together. This means you get a steady stream of energy, helping you stay focused and satisfied without the roller coaster effect of processed snacks. It's the difference between a quick burn that fizzles out and a steady glow that keeps you going strong throughout your day. Dates are a smarter, more satisfying way to enjoy something sweet. They're delicious on their own, but also pair beautifully with nuts, cheese, or even a drizzle of dark chocolate for an extra treat. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, consider the humble date. Let's see how they stack up against your usual snacks, and why they might just become your new favorite. Picture this. You unwrap a shiny, colorful candy bar, take a big bite, and instantly taste that rush of sweetness. The refined sugars in candy bars are designed to hit your system fast, giving you a quick, almost electric jolt of energy. It feels good for a moment. Your brain lights up, your mood lifts, and you might even feel a burst of excitement. This is the classic sugar rush, and it's why candy bars are so tempting when you need a pick-me-up. But here's what happens next. Your body senses all that sugar flooding in, and it panics. To protect you, it releases a flood of insulin, a hormone that helps shuttle sugar out of your blood and into your cells. But often, your body overcorrects, sending out too much insulin. Suddenly your blood sugar drops just as quickly as it spiked, leaving you feeling drained, foggy, and maybe even a little shaky. This is the dreaded sugar crash. You're left tired, irritable, and craving more sugar to get back that fleeting high. It's a vicious cycle, one that can leave you reaching for another candy bar, and then another, as your energy and mood swing up and down like a roller coaster. Now, let's imagine a different scenario. Instead of grabbing a candy bar, you reach for a few dates, those naturally sweet, chewy fruits that have been enjoyed for centuries. Dates are sweet, but they're also packed with fiber. That fiber acts like a traffic cop, slowing down how quickly the natural sugars enter your bloodstream. Instead of a sudden spike, your body gets a slow, steady release of energy. The fiber also helps you feel full and satisfied, so you're less likely to keep snacking mindlessly. This means you experience a gentle, sustained lift in energy, not a wild spike followed by a crash. You feel more balanced, focused, and calm. No frantic insulin surge, no roller coaster of highs and lows. Instead, you get a steady stream of fuel that keeps you going, whether you're working, studying, or just enjoying your day. You avoid that rebound hunger that makes you reach for more snacks, and your mood stays stable. With dates, you're nourishing your body in a way that works with your natural rhythms, not against them. You get energy that lasts, so you can stay active, focused, and positive throughout your day. Dates are more than just a sweet treat. They're a whole food that supports your body's needs, providing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants along with that gentle energy boost. They're the perfect pick-me-up for lasting energy, whether you need a snack at work, before a workout, or just to get through a busy afternoon. So next time you crave something sweet, try reaching for dates instead of a candy bar. You'll satisfy your sweet tooth, but you'll also give your body the kind of energy it truly needs. Your body and your mood will thank you. You'll feel better, think clearer, and avoid those frustrating crashes that come with processed sugar. That's the real power of a whole food snack. It nourishes, energizes, and supports you, all in one delicious bite. Let's take a closer look at why dates are so effective, and how they can transform the way you snack. Let's talk fiber. Dates are loaded with it, especially soluble fiber. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, acting as a speed bump for your digestive system. This means a gradual release of sugar, keeping your energy steady and helping you feel full longer. Fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, supporting digestion and immunity. A healthy gut helps regulate how your body processes sugar. So, eating dates isn't just about sweetness, it's about supporting your whole system. The fiber in dates turns a simple snack into a smart choice. It's what sets dates apart from candy or table sugar. With dates, you get sweetness, satisfaction, and real health benefits. That's a win-win for your cravings and your body. Dates aren't just about fiber, they're packed with potassium and magnesium, two minerals vital for your health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, counteracting the effects of too much sodium. Just a few dates can give you a solid potassium boost. Magnesium is essential for blood sugar control and helps your cells use insulin effectively. Many people don't get enough magnesium, which can impact blood sugar and increase diabetes risk. Snacking on dates gives you a natural source of both minerals. These nutrients work together to support your metabolism and heart. Dates are more than a sweet treat. They're a smart choice for your body. Enjoying dates means fueling your body with what it needs to thrive. Let's see what else makes dates a super snack. Dates are loaded with antioxidants, your body's personal security team. Antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells. Dates contain flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids, all working to keep your body healthy. These compounds help lower inflammation, support heart health, and may reduce disease risk. Eating dates means arming your body with natural protectors. This is especially important for stable blood sugar and overall wellness. Unlike processed snacks, dates offer real defense against daily stressors, satisfy your sweet tooth, and support your health at the same time. That's the beauty of a whole food like dates. Dates are healthy, but portion control matters. 2 to 3 dates is a smart serving. For even steadier energy, pair dates with protein or healthy fat. Try stuffing dates with almond butter or walnuts, or chop them into Greek yogurt. Add dates to salads with nuts, or blend them into smoothies for natural sweetness. Pairing dates with protein or fat slows sugar absorption even more. Get creative. Make energy balls with dates, oats, and seeds for a balanced snack. These combos keep you full, focused, and energized. Enjoy dates mindfully for the best results. Dates are great for most, but not everyone. If you have diabetes, stick to small portions, 1 date at a time, paired with protein or fat. Always check with your doctor or dietitian to see how dates fit your plan. People with kidney issues should be cautious. Dates are high in potassium, which can be risky if your kidneys aren't filtering well. If you're on a low potassium diet, limit or avoid dates. Those with digestive issues like IBS may also need to go easy, as dates are high in FODMAPs. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The most important thing is choosing foods that make you feel your best. Dates are amazing, but personal health always comes first. Consult your healthcare team for tailored advice. Not all sugar is created equal. The sugar in dates comes with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This natural package changes how your body digests and absorbs sugar. Whole fruits like dates are a healthy way to satisfy sweet cravings. Remember, choose whole foods, pair with protein or fat, and watch your portions. Dates offer caramel-like flavor, steady energy, and real health benefits. They're packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Moderation and smart pairings are key. Try dates in oatmeal, smoothies, or stuffed with nut butter. They're a simple, delicious tool for a balanced diet. If you have health concerns, check with your doctor. For most, dates are a guilt-free, nature-made treat. Enjoy the sweetness. Your body will thank you.